right, these are a few of the items that you're going to need. You're going to want to start with a round watermelon. You're going to need a party platter. And then for my fruit platter, I'm going to be using blueberries, cherries, strawberries, dates. Then I've got pepper jack cheese and mozzarella cheese over here, and pineapple chunks. And then we're going to be building this platter, and then I'm going to show you step by step how I'm doing this. After you cut the watermelon in half, take and scoop out the pulp. And then here I've run some wooden skewers across it to make it look like a little grill. Next I'm going to take the watermelon that looks like the grill, and I'm going to center it right here in my platter. And then we're going to build our tray around it. And then this is going to be our lid. And I have a cheese cutter that I'm just going to stick in the top of it. This happens to be my little cheese cutter, and I'm going to stick it right here in. Alright ladies, I added a couple of skewers with some blueberries, some pepper jack cheese, strawberries, pineapple, blueberries, and mozzarella on top. Then around in the bottom of my platter, I'll put the pepper jack cheese, blueberries, pineapple, strawberries. I think I've got some dates in there, mozzarella cheese. I stuck with the red, white, and blue theme and just rotated it out in the colors. And then I've added some cherries in the back just to keep it going. But I hope you like this, and I want to wish you a very happy 4th of July. See you next time.